find another place. Hi, girls.
We love our Stickley furniture, and the truck sale was a good chance to see pieces we wouldn't normally see in the store, and of course get a great deal.
Piece of Stickley furniture without glue, and it will last 100 years. And to demonstrate the quality of the Stickley drawer, you can actually get up and stand in and on the drawer front.
It has been wonderful. They're very accommodating, anything we need. They have it, we've moved pieces around, they've delivered, and set pieces up for us.